Hello and welcome back to Alta Head Start Storytime Fun. Today we are going to be doing an activity. Last week we read 10 red apples. My name is Carly and I'm a teacher. For today's activity, you will need baking soda, white vinegar, 2 apples, and some food coloring. First thing you're going to do is grab your first apple. You're going to need an adult or a parent to cut a hole in the top of the apple. Next, you're going to take your baking soda and fill the hole of the apple, just like that. Next, you're going to take your white vinegar and you're going to pour it in the hole to see a chemical reaction. Next, you're going to take your second apple and you're going to repeat the same process as the first time. You're going to take the baking powder. This time we're going to put the food coloring in the white vinegar. You're going to do 2 to 3 drops. Now you're going to pour the white vinegar with the food coloring into the apple hole. And there you have a blue apple volcano. I hope you had fun learning more about apples. Please join Alta Head Start next week when we read another fun story. See you soon!